The OBSBOT Tiny is an AI-powered webcam with a 2-axis gimbal allowing for automated pan and tilt, as well as gesture recognition for face tracking and zoom control. Let's see what's inside the box, and then we will overview this camera. But before we start, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell notification icon so you always get amazing videos. Let's see what's inside the box. You will get OBSBOT Tiny PTZ Webcam, USB-C to USB-A power and data cable, magnetic mount, manual and warranty card. Let's put this camera to action. First, you can mount it on your monitor like this, and you can put it on any tripod you like. Now just plug it in and it's ready to go. Now let's talk about its key features. With the 2-axis gimbal, OBSBOT Tiny uses deep learning neural networks to achieve AI tracking with autoframe. It keeps tracking you constantly, stably, smoothly, and automatically. With gesture control, you can simply put your hands up and the camera will follow you wherever you go. You can even zoom in and out with the camera with a simple L-sharp hand gesture, so you can show every detail to the audience. With the cutting-edge AI algorithm, OBSBOT Tiny features great low-light performance. For protection of your privacy, you can simply tilt the camera down to instantly shield yourself from view. Not only will the video stop, but also the voice. No need to install extra microphones. OBSBOT Tiny has embedded dual omnidirectional microphones, which have a 3-meter pickup distance. Also, the noise cancellation is a lot better than any other high-tech webcams. OBSBOT Tiny Cam app is for advanced settings, including some basic controls such as adjusting the rotation of the gimbal, selecting target or unlocking target, zooming in or out, setting up preset positions, etc. After experiencing the features of the OBSBOT Tiny, my expectations have increased tremendously. I now understand why people buy premium webcams instead of just using their laptop camera. The link is in the description. Go check out your details and get yours. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the bell notification icon.